Hey guys, welcome back to another easy and quick tutorial. Today we'll show you how to install TikTok Pixel on your Shopify website. First things first, make sure you have a TikTok account and make sure it's a business TikTok account. Next up, you want to make sure you go to your business center and on the left-hand side, select Pixels. Now, on a separate tab, go to your Shopify website settings, go to the search bar and select Apps. Search for TikTok. What we want to do is add the TikTok app to our Shopify website. Select TikTok, verify it's the official TikTok app, and click on Add App. Once you've added the app, go ahead and install it. Once you've added that new sales channel, you can see that you can set it up. So click on Setup Now, make sure you select TikTok for Business, and click on Connect. Verify that it's your Shopify account with your TikTok account, and click on Connect. Same thing for the TikTok Ads Manager, just connect it. Underneath data sharing, you want to make sure that we have the maximum level selected. Verify that it's for your Shopify website. And once all that is done, go ahead and click Confirm. And from there, you've linked your TikTok Pixels account to your Shopify website. Feel free to add any other company information you wish, and then click on Finish Setup. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more easy and quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.